Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be making cauliflower fried rice. Now this dish comes together so fast. Once you rice cauliflower, it cooks pretty quickly. You will have this dish ready in minutes. Now there's several ways you can rice your cauliflower. First of all, you can purchase this in the freezer section of your grocery store. But if that's not an option for you, or if you prefer to make your own, you can use your food processor, you can use a blender, you can even use a box grater. I think you're really going to love this dish. It's simple, it's good. Let me show you how I make it.